Okay, so for our classwork number 3, as requested, this will be your recorded video module. So as discussed also, we are all uniform with the top view with the plan. So we have the same number of columns. We have the same location of the uh, entrance for the carport and the service entrance. And then for the front view or the elevation, everyone will be uniform with the measurements also. Pwede kayong mag-add ng konti. You can make little adjustments but make sure na hindi siya nalalayo dun sa given na example. Okay, so let's do this in CAD. So there you go. Okay, then we have the top view. So I'm going to change this one into southeast, or if you prefer southwest, then better if to keep your design to the design save. So I'm just going to copy this somewhere here and E to erase. So I don't need this particularly. I just need the top view. E enter, select the hatches or those objects that are no longer necessary. Because the more objects you have on your screen, the heavier the file size, so it will be quite hard for you to navigate your view. Okay, then I'm just going to type 3P, 1, 2, and 3. So the usual are going to align this into this view. So we can easily create this 2D into a 3D model. So again, that's AL. I pick somewhere here. Can dito, yeah. You can always select them to make sure that everything is selected. There should not be something left. Okay, you can always select and select. Okay, if you're going to ask me which type of selection window I prefer, I always prefer the uh, this type of window selection. Okay, because everything is, I think it's much safer than the cross selection wherein you select from right to left. Okay, so we're good. I'm done selecting. I'm just going to press enter. Then specify first source point. I'm going to click this one, two, pan a little, one and two, and you can also click this part, yung dulo, and hanapin ko yung dulo ng 3P ko. Saan siya napunta? Okay, it's somewhere here. Okay, click, and there you go. Okay, then E, select this, this, and this. And temporarily, I will be deleting the lumps or I will be doing a separate bonus discussion for creating 3D lamps. Of course, you can always download from the warehouse, but it's much better if you know how to make one. Okay, so there you go. I'm done selecting, I'm done deleting. Press enter. So that's it. And of course, quick save. Do not forget to quick save. The very first time that you create a file for a new project, always save it first. Okay, so we're going to extrude this. We have the columns. There you go. So I'm just going to select 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But then again, I just have to check the elevation. I believe this is 1/8. Ayan. Okay. So once all these 5 objects are selected, I'm going to click extrude on my ribbon, or you can also type EXT on your command line. EXT enter. There you go. Okay. So that will be 1.8. Enter. Or what you can do also is just extrude one and then you can apply material. So when you copy it, may material na siya kagad. Okay? Anyway, I'm going to click for realistic. Okay? Select. Okay? And then you can pick from here. Okay? Click here. So for the meantime, I will just be using wall paint. Okay? Glossy or matte. Preferably for outdoors or exterior. Matte po yung ginagamit natin. So for visual purposes, I will be selecting something very white or shades of white so you can see the contrast within the environment. Because if I will be selecting a darker shade, you won't see the progress of our 3D model. Okay, so we're good. Just going to close this one. You can always have it open, or maybe you can click the auto hide icon. You see this? Okay, when you hover your mouse here, or pag tinapat niyo yung mouse, andyan yan, you can always click it. So, tawag doon, auto hide properties. Again, we call that auto hide property. When your cursor moves away, it hides or it minimizes on its own automatically. But when your cursor moves closer, the palette displays. I'm not comfortable with that auto hide. So most of the times I just simply close it and just command for it if I need it. Okay. And next one we have is uh, volume there. I believe that is around zero point 0.2. Okay. So be selecting this, be clicking extrude, or you can also opt for box. Okay, box, I can pick from here 1 and 2. Okay, so that's 0.2, enter. And then I have this one here. Okay, I can simultaneously extrude this. I'm going to pick from here down to the lower right. Okay, or I would suggest, let's see, uh, hmm, probably ext. Select enter, going to click here. Okay, then ext enter, L for last, and enter. That's 0.025, enter. And then mat ulit. Then I'm just going to click this so it will be fixed or nakadock siya dito. Going to select one and let's see what color is a little interesting. Okay, maybe this one, light tan. Okay, so click. It's kind of dark. Wait, select this. Uh, huh. It's up to you how do you want it, but I'm doing this for contrast purposes. Maybe this blue one na lang. Okay, so we just CO, or maybe we can move this one. Enter, select. We can pick this one. Okay, or select, then press enter. Sorry for that. Once you're done selecting, this will be your base point. Okay, and you move it here. Click. Actually, you can do things simultaneously. Okay, but ah, pwedeng dito. Pwedeng dito na kayo mag 3D. But at most of the times ako, sabi ko nga, I keep this one safe. Then I just move things. Or again, depende dun sa preference niyo. But kulang? Okay. Wait. I just have to undo. Sorry for that. Kulang siya. Okay, I'm going to 2D wireframe. Yan. I'll be selecting this one. Enter. Click sa midpoint and I will be picking dito. Yan. Okay, so I guess that's safer. So VS or there you go. Okay, then we just copy this one. CO, you select from here. Enter once you're done. Wait, just have to press a negative V and F for front. Check ko lang yung elevation niya. It seems we're lacking of DI 1 and 2.2. So from here, DI 0.1. So what happened with that? Anyway, we can simply fix that. Let's see. Negative V, SE. So, nawawala yung or na maling orientation yung UCS. So that's UCS, enter, enter. Okay, let's go back here. Adjust the height. Just going to select this one and wala yung niya. Maybe 2D wireframe. Select. Okay, ganito siya. Ganito na lang. Kasi we lack of 0.1. So I'm just going to copy, CO, select, enter. I'm going to pick this. Angat ko lang siya ng 0.1. Enter, enter. Okay, so we have two objects. Okay, so I'm just going to merge that by this command. Yun. Okay. Nakikita nyo, dalawang objects sila. Yan o. Tsaka yung sa kabila. I don't know ba't nagkulangan ng height. Anyway, let's fix that. So, select this one and select this. Yan. And just click unicommand or union or parang addition when it comes to math. Okay? So, click that and select ulit pala yung dalawa. Enter. So, ayun na siya. Okay, buo na siya. VS, R, there you go. And MA, be selecting this and click. Parang eyedrop. Okay? Now we're going to copy this. CO, select this, enter, scroll down. So you're going to zoom out. Then this will be my base point. Okay? So midpoint and click, click, click. There you go. Until makopy nyo siya. You can also copy by using distance from one element to another. Again, this is a square bar. Yung ginamit ko material dito is square bar. Although you can be flexible with different types of materials on actual. Okay? Enter. Okay. There you go. Okay. So, the next one, nasobrahan pala tayo dito. Okay. Let me see. DI. Okay, that is around 1.42. Okay, let me see what I can do with this one. Okay. Maybe I can just simply erase that. E-enter, select, enter, and EXT, enter, select, enter, click, enter, select, enter ulit, 0.15, enter, M to move, going to select this, enter, click ko dito sa endpoint, and dalhin natin dito. There you go. MA for match properties. Click this one because you want to adopt its properties and inherit the other object that you selected. Okay? So enter, Control S to save. And let's have this one. EXT, enter, select, enter, click dito. EXT ulit, select, enter. So for the wall thickness, pag nagti-3D ako, I use 0.15. Okay? M, enter, select, enter, click, and click dito. Yan. Okay. MA, select this, enter. Or if you want na naka-clad siya, stone cladding, hanap tayo dito. We look for stone, granite, marble, okay? But just in case wala dyan yung hinahanap yun, you can actually create your own material. Okay? So how do we do that? You click this one. Sorry, close ko muna. Hindi yon. Ito palang plus. Okay. So, click that. Wait, close. I'm looking for the other option. Yan. So, pag kinlik nyo siya, lilitaw yan. So, you have different options, but let's select the new generic material. Actually, regardless kung anong klaseng material yung gagawin ninyo, be it concrete, glazing, or masonry, you can always use this one. So, ako ito na lang pinapagamit ko. New generic material. Although, meron ng default si CAD. Any CAD software naman, when you install them, they already have presets on their materials. But again, you can always make your own. Okay, so name this clad 01 or stone clad 01. Okay, and then image. Okay, nag-e-exist na daw. Sige. Cladding, stone cladding. Mat 01. Mat for material. Image, you can kasi select or you can actually create materials made from colors, but you can also select or make materials through selecting an image. Okay? So, may naka-save na ako. You can always save them, but preferably if you're going to download images to be used as rendering materials, preferably they are of high quality or 4K. Mabigat nga lang siya, but they will really give you a crisp appearance when you are rendering na. Okay, so maybe I'll select this one. Open. There you go. Select this. And ito siya. Stone cladding mat 01. Andito siya sa taas pumunta. And click the apply. There you go. Okay. Now, if you are not satisfied with this, you can always double click the image. There you go. We can have adjustments. So let's see what will happen if we will adjust this image, okay? So you can scroll down a bit. You will see your scale. This is the default size, 0.30. Kindly check yung changes. Pagpapalitan natin to into the value of 1. So I'm going to type 1 and sorry, but dun siya napunta. Yan. 1, enter, and ayan. So let's try a smaller one. Probably 0.65, enter. Okay, I think this one is better. Okay? You can always play with the scale. Okay? Ah, depende kasi dun sa gusto mo mangyari sa kanya. Sometimes the image is too small or too big. Again, you can always adjust with scale. Okay? I'm going to close this and this one. Okay. And this part, ito siya. Okay? So I'm going to copy this one and select. Okay. This one, ginamit ko pong material is tubular. It's 2 inches by 4 inches. Okay? So I'm going to give you two options for this. Yan. The first one, dito yung ano niya, class, ah. Ito yung 4 inches. Yan. That's 0.1. Yung kapal niya dito, yun yung 0.05 or 2 inches. That's why, i-extrude natin ito, tsaka ito, enter, ng 0.05. Okay? SU for subtract. Select this volume kasi siya yung babawasan mo. Once you're done selecting, press enter and select the smaller one because we will eliminate that volume within the bigger object or bigger volume. So, once you're done selecting, press another enter. Ito siya. Another one is by making, di ba nag-extrude, subtract. Ito naman, we have the frame, the outer part of the frame, and the profile. REC, I'm going to pick, then type at 0.1, which is the 4 inches, comma 0.05, which is the 2 inches. Kasi nga, 4 by 2 yung gagamitin nating sukat para dun sa frame niya. Okay, so enter. And I'm going to move that M, select, enter. We pick the midpoint to the midpoint. Okay, we're good to sweep. Select sweep, select the profile, you press enter, and select sweep path. Ito yung path. Okay, click. There you go. They look the same, but when I select them, okay, you won't see the difference. Lipat ko lang sa 2D wireframe. Again, select natin. Konti yung grips na to. The grip of this is just to simply move the object. But this grip, you can both, you can actually modify, adjust the appearance, size of your object. So it's more flexible. Okay, so they may be similar in in appearance, but again, when for modification, this one is much better. Okay, so we're good with that. Going to erase this. Dito tayo. Alam niyo na to, pag ganito yung i-extrude niyo, make sure you create boundary. I already have created boundary. Yan. There you go. And I'm just going to type EXT because sabi ko nga, I already am done with my boundaries here. Okay. And select this. Enter. Manipis lang yan actually. You can type 0.005. Enter. Okay. Let's look for realistic. Ito sila. I'm going to select this. Wall paint matte. That will just simply be white. Ito. Let's select them. What do you want for this? I'm looking for something like Celadon. Yan. Well, hold on. Nakita ko na. This one. Okay. And once you're done, just simply move them. M. Enter. You pick this. There you go. And you click the midpoint. Okay. Now, maybe, how do I create this monstera? Okay. So, let's see. Going to close this. I'm going to top view. Again, close, save natin yan. So, how do you make a monstera? So, there are different objects that you can do with this one. You are not just limited to this tropical leaf, okay? You can do anything. Anything na fluid para hindi gano'ng rigid yung design natin. Okay. I'm going to switch to the wireframe. Meron na ako sinave. I already have saved an image from the internet. So, this is how it goes. ER. Okay. You can type ER. You can also type XREF. Pareho lang. Okay, lalabas yung external reference palette. So, we click this. Look for attach image. Kasi you can attach several types of images. So, dito tayo. Okay. Attach image. Hanapin ko na po yung kung saan ko siya sinave. I believe I have saved it somewhere. Yan, medyo ano lang, marami lang pupuntahan, but I have saved the image. Saan siya? Images. Eto. Okay? So, you select that and click open. Actually, meron pang iba. Yan. Just for reference. Okay? Or if you want, you can take a photo from your Android or iOS phones. Okay? If you really want a specific image na nakita niyo at gusto yung incorporate the design. But this one, credits to the owner. I got this one from the internet. So, click OK. I'm going to pick 1 and 2. Okay? Zoom in. You can always be particular with your hatch, okay? Or sorry, with your layers. Dito kasi, medyo hindi na ako naging particular. But nothing wrong. I would really advise you to be very organized with your objects layering. AR1 na lang. Okay? Then, I'll be selecting this one. And I'm going to fade it at a specific percent. And somewhere at 0.41. And since this one is a curve, it is advisable to turn your ortho off. Okay? So, let's see. A, enter. I'm going to trace it. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. A, enter. Make sure ortho is on. 1, 2, and 3. And A, enter. 1, 2, and 3. A, enter. 1, 2, and 3. And A, enter. 1, 2, 3. So, until matapos nyo siya. And make sure nag-i-snap talaga yung arcs niyo para wala siyang bukas. Okay, dapat kasi sarado siya para magawan natin ng boundary. Okay, A, 1, 2, 3. A, enter. 1, 2, and 3. A, enter. 1, 2. But if you're kind of perfectionist at gusto nyo talaga siyang i-perfect, wala naman. But mine kasi is, I don't want it to be too detailed. Lalo na if it will consume so much of your time. But if you are kinda OC at gusto nyo talagang nasundan nyo siya ng buo, no problem. And just in case yung arc ninyo ay medyo hindi gano'ng maganda yung kalalabasan, you can always escape. Okay? Then just repeat the command. You are not just limited to tropical leaves, okay? You are allowed with any designs you think will be better or you think is maganda or aesthetic. Sa akin kasi nag-i-integrate talaga ako ng fluidity on my details. So, the house or the project is, again, not that rigid. Okay, A, enter. 1, 2. Going to make a shortcut somewhere here. 1, 2, 3. And A, enter. 1, 2, 3. Again, you have to make sure na sarado po lahat. Na nag-meet sila. Pag may nag-overlap, just trim it. Just in case naman hindi siya sumakto. Kunwari, ganito yung kinalabasan niya. Yan. Just select the segments and close them using the grips. Okay? So, we can create a boundary. We're good. Anyway, this one appears when I... Wait. Yan. Ayaw niya. Minsan nagdi-disappear pala siya. Pag nagpapan ako. Yan. Okay? But there are times na kahit nagpan ako, hindi siya nawawala. But anyway, once you're done with the image, e-enter, select, enter. You can also close na the external reference. Yan. So this is what I got from tracing the downloaded image through external reference. Again, you have to make sure everything is closed. Walang nag-overlap. Pag meron, itrim na lang. Pag merong open, again, you can always use your grips to close the area. Once you're done, that's BO for boundary. Click pick points, click inside, okay, and enter. So, eto na siya. Okay? So, how I did this one. So, kunwari, ito yung frame ninyo. Okay? Then, I'm going to copy this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate, RO. Click, click sa gitna. No particular angle. Click sa gitna. Yan. RO. Enter, select. Click sa gitna. And RO, select. And click somewhere like that. Okay? You can use specific angles, but dito sa akin kasi is nag-free rotate lang ako. Okay? Then, you can just simply M, move. Okay. M ulit. Yan. Or if you want copy, pwede din. CO. There you go. Now, if things like this, okay, pwede na kayong gumawa ng boundary. BO, click pick points, and click enter. You can delete that one kasi ito lang yung masasama sa design mo. BO ulit, pick points, 1, 2, and 3. Enter. And E to erase. E-enter. E-enter. Okay? Pwede namang siyang itrim, pero pwede din naman option yung erase mo siya. Until such time mapuno niya siya. Okay? Just like this one. Okay, but again, you don't really have to copy what's here. Okay? I would really see your creativity with this activity. Okay? We're able to accomplish something. So that's Control S. And let's go to okay. So before we change the view, let's have this very important tool in creating 3D objects, the viewports. Okay, viewports kasi it divides your screen into several boxes. So you see what's happening on other angles. Okay, so viewports, enter. Currently, naka-single siya. Okay, current view, ayan. You have different options for left, for equal 3 horizontal, but let's try 2 vertical. Okay? For the current view, ito yung nakikita natin. Walang problema dyan. Or, you can always change. I'm going to put it into 3D. South. West ko lang. Etong isa. Okay, wait. Sige, 2D wireframe tayo. Tapos, itong isa, maybe we can put it into front view. And let's type, or let's look for realistic. Okay? Then, we click OK. There you go. Double-click dito. Zoom in ko lang kung saan part ako nag-work. Okay? Then, lipat ko siya dito. Maybe I can switch to southeast. Pwede naman. Can always go with one to another. You just have to make sure na yung UCS ninyo, hindi siya nawawala. Lalo na dito sa kabila, kung saan kayo nagmo-model. Again, the Z-axis should always be the one pointing upwards. If just in case something happen, na misorient or nawalan sa tamang orientation yung user coordinate system niya, you can always type UCS, enter, enter. So, it will restore its default and proper location. Okay? Balik tayo dito. Okay? Then, we're just going to move this one. Okay? Eto siya actually. Create lang ako ng 3P. 1 and 2. Then I'm going to M, move that tiny object, enter, click, and lagay ko lang siya dito sa gitna, midpoint. There you go. Okay, so that will serve as a reference. And E-enter, pwede nyo burahin yung ibang objects na hindi nyo nagagamitan para hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng visual, how do I say this? Yung nalilito, parang hindi kayo nalilito. Okay? M-enter, we pick from here, down there, enter, and I'm just going to click the midpoint here, yan. And dun tayo. Okay, click. So, ayan no. Ayan na yung nakikreate natin. So, you are working here yet you get to see what's happening here, your progress. Okay? Dito tayo. Okay. Pwede rin kayong dito na magplano. Okay? Anyway, we have the support or yung pinaka, ano natin, hinge. Okay? Dito pala tayo. Okay? Just going to type 3P, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. EXT to extrude. Select this, enter. Maybe we just put somewhere 0.05. Okay? Though that's not the actual ano. This just represents that part of the design. Okay? Then we just copy that. Or maybe math, enter. Sorry, that's not math. VS, R for realistic. Then MA na lang. Pili na lang tayo again. Puti na lang para nakikita nyo siya maayos. Okay? Then we copy this. Select. Okay? Then I click on the midpoint. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Then we move them. Okay. Enter. Select. Select this. Select that. Enter. We click this part here and would put it on the midpoint. Okay. So, ayun sila. Okay. Once this one is okay, we can work now with this. Okay. So, CO. Again, class, you can work directly with this. But for others, para mas nakikita nila na maayos, you can always copy that. Okay? So, I'm just going to delete this now. Yan. Later, sasabihin ko bakit ko sila binura. Okay, there you go. Then I'm going to type REC, pick 0.1, 0.05 because again the frame is 4 inches by 2 inches. Okay, so enter. M to move, select this, enter. We pick the midpoint, going to the other midpoint. Okay, so just like what we did earlier, we click the sweep. Actually, pwede siya ng sweep, but there's also another way. Pero sige, dito muna tayo. Sweep, select select the profile, enter, and select the path. Okay, there you go. Tapos meron tayong isa dito. Okay, we're just going to extrude this one. Click, enter, and we click this one. The XT, enter, we click this, and 0.05, enter. Move ko lang siya. M, select, enter, click dito. Yun. Okay? You can type MA, click this, and click this. Okay. Dito tayo. Dun sa mga ano niya, square bars. So, VS2, let's check. Okay. EXT, select, 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 select this, enter, and the 0.025, enter. Enter to repeat your extrude, and select these objects. Enter, and again, that 0.025, enter. Okay. But parang hindi na select to. Hold on. Just have to check. Just going to delete that. Okay. Ay, pumunta sila sa kabila. Let's undo, okay? Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Control Z pa. Okay? EXT. Sorry for that. Select this, enter. Okay? 0.025, enter. And EXT. Okay? Kasi dapat pumunta sila dito. Papuntang ganun, okay? So after selecting them, I'm going to press enter and I'll be typing negative 0.025. Enter. Ayun, tama. So VSR, yun. The way it should be. MA, okay, I'll be picking this. And selecting, ba't iba? Iba yung lumilitaw. Ano na lang, sige, matte. Select this. And I believe, what is the color we use? Okay, sige. There you go. Pareho ba ng kulay? Yeah, I seems. Okay. Anyway, parang hindi. Okay, I guess that's one. Control S, and I'm going to close this. And VS to enter. Okay, we're going to copy this. CO 1, 2. Kaya binuro ako, di ba? Kasi we will just be copying because they're just the same. Okay, so I'll press enter with that. Enter. And saan ko siya kukunin? I'll take this one. See this midpoint here? Click. And this midpoint here. Yan. Okay. Ayun. Ay, hindi nyo pala siya makikita dito. Okay. The next thing is we're going to move this one na. Okay. So, saan ko ba siya i-move? Okay. If you still have this, what we're going to do is M. Wait, hold on. Kasi baka yung iba nabura nila eto. Aha. So, sige. 3P. Enter. Going to pick 1, 2, and 3. M. Be selecting this. Enter. Click ko siya dito. Parang reference lang ng class. And dito. Yan. Okay. We're good with that. M. Pick 1 and 2. Enter. Going to click the midpoint. Click that midpoint up there. And yung ginawa nating reference. Click. Okay. But parang medyo mataas siya. Okay. Let me see. Okay. We can DI 1 and 2. So, ilan yung difference niya? 0.1. Okay? So, sige. M. I'm going to pick from here and up there. Enter. And 0, 0, yung first 0, wala tayong movement sa X. Yung second 0, wala tayong movement sa Y. So, yung movement lang natin is sa may Z-axis, which is pababa. So, technically, that should be negative 0.10. And we press enter twice. 1 and 2. Yun. Okay. So, ayun siya. Tama. Okay? Pantay na sila. So, yun. Makikita mo kung merong lapses or mistake dun sa ginagawa mo if you have viewports also. Though, pag nasanay na kayo, you can just simply work on one viewport. Just like what I'm doing. Okay? Anyway, we're just going to duplicate this on a reverse manner. So, the command for that is mirror. But I would tell you, or I would suggest and recommend that the best view to do mirror is in top view. You can click that, or if you prefer doing it in command, pwede rin siya negative V, enter, letter T for top. That's another way. Dito ako. Yan. Okay, ito yung current model natin. Check nyo dito sa front view and what's happening kung tama siya. So I'm going to type MI, be picking from here, down there, enter, specify first point. You just have to make sure ortho is on this time, okay? So I'm going to pick dito. Make sure OSNAP is turned on also. Click and just guide it a little downwards and pick another point. Click and enter. I guess we did good. Okay. Yes, that's it. Balik tayo dito. Click here. Control S. That's negative V for southeast. Okay. We're going to copy this, yung tatlo. Okay. CO. Select. Pati na to. Select ko na din yon, ha? Because it will serve as my copying point. Okay. Enter. And we click this. Papunta dito. Yan. Okay. Then CO. I'll be picking from here, down here, enter. Click this midpoint here. Kaya kinapi ko po yung orange or pitch thing para doon tayo mag-reference for displacement. And we click that. Enter. Ito na siya. Dito na lang tayo. Okay? Again, the holy rule, Control S to quick save. Okay? And we have this, ext enter. Oh, let me check first. This one has a height of 1.8, I believe, or 1.7 lang pala siya. Okay, so ext, select this. Or I believe parang sinolid wall ko na to, something like that. Okay, so tama, para magkasama sila. Anyway, ext, select this, enter. Be picking here. Yes, dun na lang. Ext, enter, select, and click ko na lang dito. Yon. Okay? But it's pitch. And but parang kulang siya. Okay. Let me check. DI. Okay, ilan yung kulang niya? 1 inch. Okay. So sige nga, try natin. Since nag-overlap din naman ito, I'm just going to type move. Okay? M, select this, enter, pick 1 point, and ay parang hindi lang siya 0.025 eh. Sige, let's see. 0.1, enter. Okay, tama lang pala. Yan na. So, just right. Click here. Yeah, there you go. And I'm just going to make VS R. Okay. MA. Click this and click that. Okay. Then uni. 1 and 2. Enter. Parang isang object na lang siya. Okay. And we have this ornamentals here. So I believe we just move them. M, select this, and click dito. Yan. Okay? Click lang ako dito para makapag-zoom out tayo at nakikita yung progress natin. Zoom in ako sa part na to since doon tayo banda nagwo-work. Okay? And balik ako dito by clicking. Okay. Let's click this and let's look for press pull. Okay? So, ayaw niya. Gusto niya pala mauna sa press pull and then select the object. Click. And 0.025. Enter. Click. And 0.025. Enter. Or other way, you can click that. You can click extrude and 0.025. Enter. Or, balik again. Press pull. Click this. And 0.025. Enter. Okay. What did you notice with the last one? Nagputi siya. Bakit siya nagputi? Kasi humugot siya ng volume dito or dumagdag siya. So, ibig sabihin, that tiny object and this one are already one object, which is supposedly ganun yung mangyayari. Pero with the first two press pull, ang nangyari is parang gumawa siya ng independent objects. Yung extrude, technically, talagang independent siya because that's how extrude works. But, technically, press pull should be adding volume to this kaya dapat nagputi sila. But, sorry, I can't explain that. Similar with your jowa, Autocadd at times, nagkakatoyo din siya. Okay? But anyway, maybe let's leave it like that. Okay? Or if you prefer, MA, what do you want? We click this, and we click that. Kulay ano rin sila, aquamarine or blue-green. If you think, escape. Wait, MA, click and click. And MA, click that and ayaw niya. MA, click this and that. Okay? Anyway, we're here. Dito tayo sa plant box. Based on my design, eto siya, diba? Pwede naman yan, but sige. Just to simplify na lang, we're just going to extrude it patas. Okay? Let's move this one. M, select, enter. This is not actually a plant box, but just a simple cladding, a cladded wall, sorry. EXT, select this. Ilan ba to? Escape ko lang. DI natin. Okay, 0.5. EXT, enter, select, enter, 0.5, enter, EXT ulit, select the last object, enter, let's try 0.15. lumabas siya. So technically, I'm going to undo that and ext, select, enter, that should be negative 0.15. Okay? Para doon siya sa ano, paloob. Then MA, going to click this. And that one. Okay. And for the last one, dito na tayo. Okay? Aha. I'm going to do is, sige, CO, or maybe just move. Okay? So, M, and click, and EXT, select this, enter, 0.05, enter, and SU, select this, enter, and select the smaller one, enter, and VS2, just going to move them. M, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, enter. I'm going to pick from here to the midpoint. Gitna naman kasi dapat yan. Okay, then EXT, select those objects. Yan. This, this, enter, and 0.025, enter. Okay. Actually, medyo makapal. In actual, manipis lang yan. 1 inches makapal for this type of metal works. Okay. Let's see. VSR, MA. Select this and that. And MA. Select this. This. And there you go. Okay. Enter. Medyo makapal nga lang siya. But, let's move it a little. Yan. There you go. And Control S to quick save. VS 2. Okay. M. Select this, that one, and that one. Enter. Pick sa midpoint and dito. If it's nabibilisan kayo, you can always adjust the time play of this video. Okay? According to your user comfort. Then we're just going to copy this. CO, pick one down there, enter, and how do we do that? Okay, so this is 1 and 2, and enter to repeat copy. You pick 1 and 2, enter, and 1 and 2, enter. Control S to save. And for the last part, okay, EXT, select this, enter, we click dito, EXT, select, enter. Kung kanina nag-extrude tayo at nag-click lang ng O-snap, and i-record po yun. Ibibigay niya kung ilan distance yun na nag-O-snap tayo. So you can just simply press enter to accept that. Okay? Then, VS, R, MA, we select this one, and select this, enter. We move that, M, and select enter, we pick dito. Yan. Click. Kunin nyo yung midpoint. Yan. Okay. And then we copy. CO. Select this. Enter. And dito tayo mag point of displacement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try on the other hand. On the other side. Okay. So, there you go. You see on the right viewport kung ano yung progress na nagagawa natin. Okay, there you go. So, that's Control S. We're done. So, pwede nyo na siyang i-viewport ulit. Sorry, viewports. Viewports. Enter. Just look for single, then okay. So, ito na siya. Okay? So, you're done. And of course, quick save. So, your progress is safe. Punta tayo sa layout. Okay? We will just be using the same, what they call this? Burahin ko to ah. We will be using the same title block you use. Okay? So, kunwari, andito yung nauna ninyo, yung living room partition. Just copy it. Okay? So, tabi nyo lang dito. So, sa bandang taas, double-click kayo, zoom out, hanapin nyo yung gate. So, again, dalawa yung sa akin, niready ko na. Then, pag ganito siya, say enter, 1 over 50 XP, enter. Okay, ayaw. Say enter, 1 over 60 XP, enter. Say enter, 1 over 70 XP, enter. O yun, nag-fit na siya. 70 pala. Pag okay na kayo, move outside. Double click. So, palitan ko lang to ah. This is 70 pala. Sorry for that. And click this. And there you go. 7. Enter. Enter. Control S. And dito sa baba, okay, so double click. Okay, kunwari, andito yung current view ninyo. So, hanapin nyo lang. Okay. Z enter 1 over 70 XP. Enter. Okay. And double click on the other side. Ganon din. Wait. Seems there's a problem here. Okay. I just need to figure it out. Let's see on the top view. Pero ganito yung magiging outcome, ha? Same, ano pa rin. Same title block. Na, ayusin nyo na lang. I believe 1 is to 70 is okay. Since para-pareho tayo ng linear measurement. Okay? Palitan natin to. Entrance gate. Enter, enter. Then, you convert this into PDF. Okay? So, pakilagay po yung mga necessary details. And don't forget the quick save. Again, let's try fixing the problem here. Maybe VS2 for, for 2D wireframe. Or you can always go here. Pwede din to. Okay? Negative V. Enter. T for top view. Check ko lang. Bakit ganun siya? Oh. Lumagpas. Or maybe yung volume ko. Kasi nakagitna siya sa pause. Ito, hindi siya nag-commit na. Okay. Maybe I'll just be creating a different volume para lumitaw na ano. Okay? Or, para safe tayo. Or kung gusto yung super detail, magbabawas tayo ng 0.162. Okay? Let me check onto that. Maybe I'll use southeast. Okay? And 3P. Okay, I'm going to pick from here 1 and 0.16. Enter, enter. No, sorry. F2. Ilan nga ba? Ito. 0.0162. Okay, 3P. Click. 0.0162. Enter, enter. EXT. L for last created object. L, enter. Isa pang enter. Click ko dito. Yan. EXT. You can click this. Enter. Pwede nyo ring last object yan. Ibig sabihin, you are selecting the object that is last created. Click ako dito. SU to subtract. Select. Enter. Click that. Yan. O, check natin sa top view ulit ha. Yan. O, okay na. Dagdagan ko na lang siya ng volume dito para hindi siya mukhang lumilipad. Okay? Let's see. So, that is, try natin northeast. Tama, northeast. Let me see onto that. Tama. Okay? So, I can type BOX for box, be picking this and that, and click. Okay, uni for union, select that, select this, enter. VSR, yan. And balik tayo sa southwest. Okay. So, ito siya. Okay, MA, select this, select that, para matanggal yung green. Okay, I think we're good. So, there you go. So, I hope you were able to learn something new with this activity. Quick save, and thank you for watching.